Universe wants you to just ask as many questions as you would want to. Now, these questions can be from a person that you really are interested in, or a situation that you really are concerned about. Doing a research on something, whatever it is, you feel that you are close to the answers, but you really are being asked to explore more. So do not be afraid to dive in more. Now, for some of you, it can be spirituality as well, which is very common in spirituality. People do get intimidated, they get intrigued rather, when they dive deep into spirituality. What happens in spirituality especially is there are layers that are developed by our own thinking, by our own mindset that we have developed. Now these layers give us a cocoon, kind of a protective shell for us. We feel we coming out of this shell is going to make us vulnerable, but which is not a fact. So spirituality helps you to actually take off all those layers and come out the shining you as you are. Okay, so don't be afraid to explore more. If it is love situation, still you need to, there are few people that are not ready to commit in a situation, probably because they are afraid of a relationship. They are afraid of loving a person in the way that they might get hurt. You cannot be on the seashore and just assume that there might be a lot many hidden difficulties or problems. You need to deep dive in situations that you cannot avoid. So rather just go ahead, pick up your swords, pick up all your weapons and just move ahead. If it is a relationship situation, you can ask questions when you feel that there are things that you need to be clear on. So you can just go ahead and be clear on what you need to ask. Ask as many questions as you would to solve a situation today. Let go of all the fears that you might have. Be fearless today. Be bold and not blunt in a rude way, but be bold and blunt in a very nice way to actually bring forth whatever you want to ask from anybody, from any situation. Okay, it can be even financial situations for some of you. You might have not explored this option in your life until now, but if you are planning to do something like that, please go ahead and ask as many questions as you have. Do not be in any assumption about anything. Just be clear and then make a decision. So I'm wishing you all the best and I'll see you tomorrow. Have fun.